IIBS News Bureau to discuss about the news article which is published on The Hindu on July 1st, 2020. Now we are going to discuss about the particular topic which is published, which has been in hot news for past 2-3 days. Yesterday it was in PIB, Press India Bureau, and today it is in The Hindu. The article that we are going to discuss is regarding to the 59 mobile app which was banned by Indian government, stating those apps linked to many controversies over data privacy and have been accusing of sharing sensitive information with foreign countries including Chinese government. And how government has proceeded this particular process by using a particular constitutional act called 169A, which comes under Information Technology Act, to ban this particular 59 apps of Chinese company. And this legal act states that procedure and safeguard for blocking of access of information by public under Rule 2009, which means that this act can only curtail the user, or it can able to block the particular app only inside Indian territory. That's why our Indian government under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has given an order to Android and iOS to remove all those 59 apps from the platform for Indian users alone. This particular act is not going to be in the platform, either that may be in Android or iOS platform for any Indian user. Then you can ask about a particular question, whether is it a permanent solution or it is a temporary solution which is being taken by Ministry of Electronics and IT. This particular thing is a decision which is taken by Ministry of Electronics and IT as a temporary solution, because in past also lot many apps has been blocked for a particular time, later it has been revoked. Today it is in newspaper because these Chinese companies who are having their work location in India, they have filed a case in Indian government to revoke this particular thing. They are stating that they are not violating the rules and regulation, and the data of Indian users is under a proper control, that is under a safeguard. They are stating that they have not used any particular data and they have not leaked any particular data to Chinese government too. And why government has banned it? Government is saying that under an emergent nature of this particular threat which is happening now between India-China border in LOC, they have decided to block 59 apps since, in the view of information available, they are engaged in activity which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of the state, and public order. Further, in this particular article, which has been published in first page of Hindu, states that the company head of India, Mr. Nikhil Gandhi, said that the company has complied with all Indian laws related to data privacy and has not shared information of any Indian user with any foreign government, including including the Chinese counterpart. But in 10th page of the Hindu, we had and one more article saying that the banned apps can get a chance to send the clarification, which means this ban is not a permanent ban. Here, Indian government and Ministry of Electronics and IT is also seeking the clarification from all 59 Chinese app company to prove that they are innocent, which means they have not leaked any Indian user information to any foreign countries, including China. They have given a chance to prove that they are not doing that. They have that the Indian user data are safer in the hands of Chinese company. How it is going to impact our Chinese economy or China market? When you are saying about the app, most of the apps that they have banned, like TikTok or Hello or Cam Scanner, which have been used by more than 120 million users. But put together, out of those 59 apps, Indian users are having the database of more than 500 billions. Those 500 billion users will be out of this Chinese platform, Chinese app platform. That will be a significant loss for Chinese economy. But we can also quote an example which is there in today Hindu newspaper, especially when you coming to a particular app called TikTok, which is used in a month last December. It's having the quantum more than the same put together for more than 11 countries, which means whatever be the user time which is being time that is used by Indian user in the month called December, that is much more when we are comparing with the total user who are using same TikTok in all 11 countries, which means India is the one of the largest country which is using TikTok as the entertainment platform. How it is going to affect our Indian government or an Indian economy? In all those 59 apps also have their company, and lots of Indians are also working with the Chinese company. They are going to lose the job, and internet market, internet penetration will be slowed down or reduced due to this particular thing. But China, it is not going to lose much of his income in this particular domain. And in our editorial, we have one more article saying that control, not delete, which means this is a control and it is not completely deleted the app. And citing the security reason and sovereignty reason, India has blocked lot many apps. Important among the apps, one of its apps is Share and TikTok, UC browser, Cam Scanner, and other things. And India is claiming that we are having more than 100 billion monthly active user in these 59 platforms. But but the information which is given by Ministry of Electronics and IT, that is Information Technology, cited that this emergent nature of the threat posed by the app and information available that are engaged in activity prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India. This particular statement, prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India and defense of India, security of India and public order, is highlighted to be in this case. Only major reason to block these 59 apps is to hold the sovereignty, integrity, and to protect the security and public order of the country. This is the only statement which is being given by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. And apart from that, here one more thing that we need to look into this particular article, that timing of the move coupled with the fact that that has chosen to block the app outright rather than ensure that they are compiling with the law suggests the ban is less motivated by privacy concern than about sending a message to China amid the tension along the border, which means we may put such a kind of ban sometime before. Why we are doing it now? Because it is due to the tension which is happening in the border, that is in a line of control between China and India, which has not which has been. And one more thing that we need to look into this particular situation is tension on the border as well as the COVID pandemic has ignited a much needed debate on India's economic dependency on China. There is lot many article which has been coming in past week to discussing about whether India can be self-reliant without the dependence of China. I felt it is not possible. As my personal opinion, when you are looking in terms of UPSC preparation and UPSC answer writing, We need to write an answer saying that India can be self-reliant. How we can substantiate that particular answer? We will be discussing the particular topic in a separate article. But here, for an information, I am going to say that whatever be the raw material that we are using for electronic industry or pharmaceutical industry, everything is coming from China. We are only assembling the thing. Even for example, let us we can take give a simple example to make it as a clear. For COVID, we are using a medicine called HCQ, hydrochloroquine. For that, US was demanding medicine from our end instead of China, because China is not willing to uh, share that particular medicine to US. And one more thing, China is only having the raw material. They don't know the chemical formula, and they don't know how to prepare the particular thing by their own. India is having the pharmaceutical knowledge and pharmaceutical industry, but we don't have the raw materials to develop the thing. So we are highly dependent on China in terms of getting raw material for each and everything, whereas our Make in India platform and other things, the Indian government is promoting each and every person, and lots of startup and small scale industry to come up with a unique product to have substitute for each and everything. For example, instead of TikTok and Hello, government Indian government is suggesting you the similar kind of app which is available in India. Remaining things with related to India's self-reliance in terms of having its own market without the dependence of China will be discussed in further report. Thank you.